live. Go, go, go. 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 What up? What up? What up? What up? What up, investors? What's going on, everyone? I want to talk about, the AMC pump in this video. AMC pump. And of course, this is, you guys can easily drop a comment. I believe not only the channel members can comment. So please drop a comment. Let me see if it's working. And let me know if you can hear me, please. Let me know if you can hear me, guys. Let me know. We are live. We are live, baby. We are live. Hello, Sunil. What's up, Sunil? What's up, Sunil? Yes. Oh my God, Jason Pryor bought 400,000 shares all the way to the moon. Yeah, Sunil, I mean, it's not easy. This is a grind, it's a grind. If you want to do anything successful, you have to be consistent with it. I mean, it's not easy, but I mean, I have to be consistent. So that's all I am doing. Is the pump over? Oh, that's a very good question. That is a very good question. We're going to, analyze everything together in this video. Now, let me quickly take a look at what Jason Pryor, Jeremy, can you tell me more about that? Where did you find that? I mean, I was checking the SEC filings and there was nothing about Jason Pryor buying. There was no filing from BNGO today. Maybe they just posted it. Okay, this right here is a wonderful news. If this is true, I need to quickly go through my. I'm gonna because I want to talk about the Wall Street bet and WSB pumping BNGO. But before I do that, let me quickly see how can I find more information. Stock to it. Let me quickly go on Stock to it and see what my boys are talking about. Our C-suit is loaded down with Bionano Genomics. Insider have been selling since February, so you can already see. That is Jason, guys. For those of you that have no idea who Jason is, there he is, Jason. You guys can see him. That is Jason. So let me see. 400,000. Okay. So we have a new filing, guys. We have a new transaction, insider transaction. So it is from Fintelo. Woo! That is amazing. That is amazing, guys. This is amazing. I mean, I was going through this just a few minutes ago and there was no information. Nothing about Jason opening a position. Where is it? Insider trades. Jason, where are you? Oh, insider share zone, blah 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 blah. Jason. Guys, I'm trying to look for it. Okay, I am trying to look for it. Okay, Pryor Robert J. This is it, guys. This is it. We have a breaking news, guys. We have a breaking news. Breaking news. Woo! Guys, I need to share this video because before I start to talk about it, I wasn't expecting this. Shout out to Jeremy for sharing this with me. Jeremy Stevens, shout out to you for sharing this with me. We have a breaking news, guys. Jason just ordered about I think this is more or less a stock option, right to buy. It's not like he bought it already. This is a stock option right to buy. Okay, you guys can see the filings right here. We are going to go through the filings. We are going to go through the document. But before I dive into the document, because the title of this live stream that I am making right now is WSB. So I need to figure out how to do this video because this has to go viral. Okay, it has to go viral. I have to figure out how to do it. But first of all, let's check it out. Let's see what's happening. No. Jason. SEC. I need to go to the SEC. I need to go to my SEC. I need to go to my bookmark and SEC. Bionano Genomics SEC filings. So this is the breaking news. Security ownership statement. Guys, I was checking this page before I went live. Just when the market closed, I was checking this page and there was no information about any new filing. It was still here, 27th of May. But right now we have a new filing today. This is June 8th. You guys can see June 8th, security ownership statement. I mean, yesterday, because right now in Germany, it is about 12:20 a.m. right now in Germany, almost 1 a.m. in Germany. So we have a new security ownership statement filings from Bionano Genomics. But before I dive into it, I need to first of all chill out. What's going on, everyone? What up, everyone? Let me know where are all my viewers, guys. Right now I have about 9 viewers. I have 9 viewers. Just give me a second, guys. I need to share this video so that we can have more participants, because this is more or less, I'm gonna share this video in a minute. Breaking news. We have a breaking news. Join me live. We have a breaking news. So this is the statement, guys. This right here is the statement, and blah 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 blah. Chief Commercial Officer Jason stock option. Where is it? Roberto. Prior Robert Jason, okay? Prior Robert Jason, and ownership period of reports. So this is from June 1st. They are just reporting it right now, but it's from June 1st. And I need to go through these documents later, because for sure there are more information. It's not really easy to share a breaking news, just to go straight into the breaking news while on live stream. So I'm going to take my time. You guys have to be patient. We are going to dive into this together. There is absolutely no need to be in a hurry. So this is amount of shares, 400,000. Ionanians, Cisco, MOM. Just a second, guys. I'm trying to share this. I'm trying to share my post on Twitter, on Stock Tweets, and try to get as many viewers as possible so that we can dive into this together, because this is a breaking news, guys. This is a breaking news, okay? I mean, these are the kind of things that we would love to see. And of course, I can already see the after hours. I can already see the price of Bionano Genomics. It rose a little bit after hours. You guys can see, I mean, when I was live few minutes ago, just about half an hour ago, I was live streaming this. The after hours of BNGO was red. It was 8.20 something US dollars. So this Jason, this guy is bringing us a lot of good news, guys. I mean, this guy is bringing a good luck. This guy is bringing us good luck. That's what I want to say. He's bringing us good luck. So we saw what happened yesterday after Bionano Genomics announced his appointment. We saw what happened. The stock price went up 22%. So, I mean, this Jason of a guy, he's bringing us good luck. This guy is bringing a lot of luck, and hopefully it's going to remain the same. Okay, hopefully it will remain the same, and finally we can see the stock go to the promised land, man. Just a second, guys. I'm gonna be through in a minute. we saw the stock price went up yesterday 22%. That is how much the stock price went yesterday. So I'm trying to share this as you know, to as many my followers, as many BNGO investors as possible, so that they can join us and we can enjoy this together, and we can, you know, I want to dive into these documents, you know, talk about, you know, what I expect to happen after this beautiful development, and what we should be expecting to happen with the stock price, for example, you know. So I want to try as much as possible to share this with as many people as possible, so that, you know, we can have more participants to talk about this. No, 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 no. So in this video, we are going to be, because the purpose of this live stream is to talk about, you know, the Wall Street bet, if it is over or not. And of course, I want to, you know, because most of you guys have no idea. I mean, don't let me say most. Some of you guys have no idea what Wall Street bet is. Okay, I want to go into Reddit, and I want to show you guys the kind of, you know, activities that, you know, retail investors perform on the Wall Street bet on Reddit, and how it affects, you know, stock price, how they manage to pump stock, for example. So that's my purpose of, you know, coming live, and of course to also talk to you guys, because we haven't talked today. The last time we spoke was, you know, when the pre-market, that was the last time we spoke. Then I went to work, and now that I am back, I just recorded a video, but you know, most of you had no opportunity to ask some question about what's happening today. So that's why I thought I should come online so that we can talk like always. So what's going on, everyone? I have shared everything that I wanted to share. So I was checking if we have a new analyst, you know, rating BNGO, but so far we have only 3 analysts still. We have Jesse McCarley from Maxim Group. We have Jeffrey Cohen from Landenberg Thalma, and of course we have this guy from Alte Oppenheimer. What is his name even? From Oppenheimer. So there is no new analyst covering BNGO right now. We are just, you know, we have only these 3 analysts. So what's going on, everyone? What's up, everyone? This is a beautiful news. BNGO went down today like 1.something%. Like I always tell you guys to, you know, you have to be patient with your investment in the company. We are not here to make, you know, quick buck. We're not here for parabolic. If parabolic rally comes, or if we are able to double our money overnight, it's good. But most of us are here for 5 years. If I am able to double my money, for example, you know, from let's say $8 to $16, I'm not gonna take profit, because I am putting my money in this company for the next 5 years. You know, when Sapphire device, when BNGO is finally profitable, according to my, you know, model, I expect BNGO to be profitable in 2023. So there is no way I'm going to take profits today. We have only 107 Sapphire devices installed worldwide, according to the, you know, earnings call from the, you know, the management of BNGO. We have just 107 Sapphire installed. For 2021, the target is 150 Sapphire devices. So why should I take profit if the stock doubles overnight? Why would I take profit? I just have to leave my money there. I need to wait till we have at least, you know, 1,000 Sapphire devices installed worldwide. Then we are talking. What's going on, everyone? Oh, MSCH. Thanks, brother. I mean, it's not easy, but I try my best to, you know, come online and share my due diligence with you guys. Pump never end. It's just starting. What's going on, everyone? Let me know in the comment section. We have about 22 viewers right now, guys. Just drop a comment. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Introduce yourself. Join the channel. Introduce yourself. You don't have to be shy. Introduce yourself. Use the comment section. Let other investors know what you are doing. Okay, we are trying to create a BNGO TV. We are trying to create a station whereby we can all come together and talk about Bionano Genomics. You know, a place whereby there is no censorship. You know, of course, we have to be, you know, matured. We don't use bad languages. But I am trying to create a community where all of us can come together and talk freely and talk about BNGO, talk about, you know, how we can help all these researchers, to find cures for genetic diseases, how we can help Bionano Genomics, to keep doing what they do, okay? And I mean, just investing, the share price right now is about $8. Let's say your broker, for example, allows you to put $8 in this stock. I mean, if you put $8 in BNGO, if you own just one share of Bionano Genomics, you are helping the company one way or the other. $8 is a lot of money in some countries, okay? So yeah, what's going on? Finn Scott. Finn Scott. What's going on? Bob Apex. BNG is gonna make a lot of millionaires. New millionaires. Okay, new millionaires. What up, Kevin Egan? Guys, you don't have to be shy. Use the comment section, introduce yourself. I love knowing my members, okay? I love knowing the members of the community so that we can always, my name is Dayo, for example. My name is Dayo. I believe, okay, you guys cannot see it. So my name is Dayo and this is Frunkla Investment, okay? We talk about BNGO stock every day on this channel. So we have a new filings. One of my members, you guys can see, if you scroll up a little bit, on Jeremy Stevens, he's the one that shared this news with me. I would have missed it, okay? So BNGO just filed a new document sec form. They call this document sec this form 4. They call it for form 4 for the sec, okay? It is called form 4. I need to cancel this form 4. So BNGO just filed a new form, and they just informed us that they have given about 400,000 shares of okay. They give about how should I say this? The new guy that we just employed, okay, the new guy, Jason, the Chief Commercial Officer of BNGO, he has been offered 400,000 shares. He has the option to buy 400,000 shares of Bionano Genomics. Of course, this is not the first time we are going to see BNGO coming out, offering shares to their, giving stock option to their, management, their top management, like the chief medical officer, for example, or the chief operating officer, for example, or the chief financial officer, for example, or the CEO. They always come out because right now we have very little BNGO ownership, it is very little. We are talking about insider ownership. It is still little, okay, because this company is still growing. But the good news is they have now started to give some stock option to their members, and that is, they started to, I remember like 4 months ago when Dr. Al-Kashabi, for example, the chief medical officer or the COO or the CFO in January, he used to own just 8,000 shares of Bionano Genomics, guys. 8,000 shares of BNGO. But BNGO, like 3 or 4 months ago, BNGO management came out and they started to give stock option to their, top members, the top member of the management. So that is what we are seeing so far. So this guy has been granted 4,000 shares as well. You guys can see it right here, amount or number of shares, 4,000, and the date exercisable is not visible. We can see expiration date, first of it's going to expire on the 1st of June 2031. Okay, so that is more or less 10 years out. 10 years out. Okay, he was on the transaction date. He was issued on this stock option on the 1st of this month, 1st of June 2021. I hope you guys can see it. 1st of June 2021, and the conversion or exercise price or derivative security, it was 6.32 US dollars. So the stock price was trading around 6.32 US dollars, I believe, when this guy was offered this 400,000 shares of Bionano Genomics. So it's a very, very good news. Now we have more insider owners, insider ownership of Bionano Genomics stock, BNGO, and that is a very good news. Hopefully it's going to keep increasing, okay? Compared to Pacific Biosciences of California, insiders have been dumping their shares of BNGO. Pac Bio insiders are dumping their shares. What's going on, Rainbow Money Moves? What up, everyone? What's up, Nick V? What's up, Nick V? Finn Scott. Finn Scott. Not much, man. Only 200, but blah 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 blah. Oh, so Finn Scoot bought BNGO when it was 0.90. When it was 90 cents, that's when this guy bought BNGO. Crazy, crazy. A lot of ballers right here, guys. People are balling. So let's continue. Now, the good news is now we have more insider ownership, and it's it kind of creates a kind of it creates a kind of how do I say it in English, guys? German is destroying my language. Confidence. It gives institutional investors confidence. It gives retail investors confidence. Now we know that Bionano Genomics, they are also putting their money where their mouth is. Okay, they are not just releasing press release after press release, talking about the Sapphire device, how amazing the device is. No, now they are putting their money where their mouth is, and that is going to create a lot of confidence, among institutional investors, among retail investors as well. It's going to, I for example, I am very happy to read such a statement. As you guys can see, this is the previous filings, the previous Form 4 filings that sales purchase. You guys can see right here from the January, February, March. This is from April, 2nd of April. That was also a breaking news. This is from Chief Operating Officer Mark Odakovsky. Okay, Mark Odakovsky. I have to highlight it. This one is from Mark Odakovsky. You guys can see how many shares stock option he was offered on the 2nd of April. He was offered 275,000 shares of BNGO. When the oh my god, the price of BNGO was at 7.83 US dollars when he was given this stock option. Now, let's take a look at Dr. Alka Chaube, for example. Let me go to the next one. This is the next one right here, the next filing, and this one is okay. This is from the president and CEO. This is from Dr. Eric Holmlin. Let's take a look at how many shares he was offered and at what price. So at this price, 7.83 US dollars, Dr. Eric was given, oh my god, 775,000 shares. He was granted, okay, 775,000 shares. So, and of course, that is also going to expire on 31st of March 2031. We have 10 years out. If you are thinking about putting 10,000 US dollars into a stock and you can wait 10 years to turn it into $1 million US dollars, I'm trying to show you guys some things right here. Okay, I am trying to show you guys something. So let's take a look at the next one. So this is from Chief Financial Officers Christopher. This is from Christopher Stewart, guys. Christopher Stewart P. This from Christopher Stewart. He was granted 275,000, just like the Chief Operating Officer. Okay, and at the stock price of 7.83 US dollars. Guys, Jason is a very, very lucky guy. He is very lucky. Jason is very lucky. Let's take a look at the third one. This is the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Alka Chaube. She was also given, some stock option on the 2nd of April 2021, and she was given 275,000. She was granted 275,000, common stock of BNGO, and the price was 7.83 US dollars. That's why I always tell you guys, when the stock price was trading below 7.83 US dollars, I was telling you guys that BNGO was undervalued. Okay, even when even the institutional investors, their average price is at 5.58 US dollars. I made several videos telling you guys that anything below 5.8358 US dollars was undervalued, because institutional investors, they have millions, they have billions, some of them are worth trillions of US dollars. Geode Capital, for example, their portfolio value is about 700 and something billion US dollars. Vanguard, for example, their portfolio value is about 3 point something trillion US dollars. And what other I think it was Stone, something Stone like that. There's another institutional investors with institutional investor of BNGO with a portfolio value of 4 point something trillion US dollars. So they have an average price of 5.58 US dollars. And I always tell you guys that anything below 5.58 US dollars was a steal. 4 weeks ago, the stock was, trading at 4.30 US dollars, but, only few people listening. So now Jason got a better offer, okay, because you guys can easily see the chief medical officer, for example, she was giving 275,000 at 7.83 US dollars. So if you guys open a position below 7.83 US dollars, believe me, you got a better offer at more than the chief medical officer, in my opinion. Okay, so today, this is the filings from today. The Form 4 filing for Jason, Chief Commercial Officer. I still need to update my due diligence documents and include this guy, and of course, write a little bit about him. You guys can see the conversion or exercise price of the derivative security, 6.32 US dollars. So he got a better offer than the CEO, than the COO, than the CFO, than the CMO. This is a wonderful news, guys. This is a wonderful news. So, yeah. Dayo always covering recent. What's up, bad form? Don't think WSB has pumped BNGO. We need to see millions of buy. Yeah, I mean, I don't think WSB is, involved in BNGO so far. I'm going to talk about that next. But sold all my stock for crypto, but turning crypto profit to stocks again soon. Crypto is going down. Finscoot, crypto is going down heavily right now. Okay, it is going down. Rainbow Bob, of course, we are, diamond hands. We are all holding BNGO. I hope to hold BNGO till 2000 and at least till 2025. Hopefully, my price target of 100 US dollars and above is going to be reached before 2025. We are going to see what's going to happen. But I'm going to be here. I mean, I'll still be here talking about BNGO. So now let's take a look at WSB bet, because this video is about WSB. But before I continue, guys, I want to make an announcement before I continue, guys. When I went on Reddit in January, when I started this channel, when I started to talk about Bionano Genomics, because I wasn't on Reddit, okay? So I went on Reddit. I'm going to show you guys where I was on Reddit. So I went on BNGO on Reddit. This right here, this page right here, BNGO. I went on BNGO on Reddit. The members used to be about 4,000 or 3,000 something when I joined this Reddit page, BNGO, but right now they have about 13.1 thousand members. I cannot, so to cut the story short, I was banned on BNGO. Why? Because I was posting a lot of, I was crazy about Bionano Genomics more than the people that created this page. So I got banned from BNGO Reddit, and of course they didn't add me back, even though I am super bullish BNGO as much as anybody out there. They didn't add me back to this group, and of course they allowed other members to continue using this group. Of course, if you go down a little bit, for example, you guys can see other members posting a lot about BNGO, but I could be sharing my due diligence with them as well. But perhaps some of these members are already also on my page. You can easily see Auspicious Descent is also on the page. He is allowed to post. You guys can see 23 hours ago he posted something there, and Mr. Invest a Lot is also there, but these guys blocked me. So to cut the story short, of course, if you block me, I'll just move on and continue doing my thing. Nobody can stop me from doing my thing. So what did I do? I created my own Reddit page for Bionano Genomics, okay? And the title says Bionanians. I created it about 4 months ago, but I stopped posting on it. But now I think I am going to be back posting on this page. So today, I just received a notification today that we now have about 101 members on this page on Reddit. So if you guys are Reddit users, if you are a Reddit user, I'm going to be going on this page every day, and I will be posting every day on this page again. Anything I share on Twitter, any video I make, I will start to go here every day. And of course, Hopefully I can also have a chat. If you go to the Bionanians Lord, you guys can easily see this is a live chat. You can send message and talk about what is going on. Guys, I am not in a hurry. I'm still going to be here in the next 5. Hopefully I'm going to be healthy. Nothing's going to happen to me. I'm going to be here in the next 5-10 years talking about Bionano Genomics. So this page right here, right now, for record, it's just 101 members. Bionanians, that is the title already. So feel free to go there. And the moral of the lesson is, if anybody block you from doing what you love, just go to the next one. Or if you cannot run, walk. If you cannot walk, crawl. If you cannot crawl, just do anything and keep moving. That's the point I'm trying to make. So so amen. So that is it. Nobody can stop my hustle. Nobody can block me from doing what I love doing. Now let's continue with the topic with the Wall Street. Dayo, my brother. Matt, what's up, Matt? What's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on? So let's go on. Now I want to talk about the Wall Street bet. Okay, I want to talk about the Wall Street bet because the title of this stream is Wall Street bet, and if they are done pumping BNGO or whatever it is that is going on with them. So for those of you that have no idea what Wall Street bet is, because I believe I have 1 or 2 viewers that don't know what WSB is. This is WSB, Wall Street Bet. You can find them on Reddit, and you can see they have about 10.4 million members in this group. I am also a member of this group, but the thing is, it is super difficult to post on this group. Okay, before you can post on this group, it has to be something that is super relevant, not selfish post. You have to make sure, if you want to post a due diligence, for example, you have to make sure the due diligence has at least 5,000 letters or 5,000 words. You have to talk about your own position in the stock, the ticker that you are trying to post the due diligence about. You have to share a lot of information about the numbers, the financial of the company, the competition, more or less like the 70 pages of Bionano due diligence that I have. So you just have to copy everything and throw it there. Okay, so before they can approve your post. And of course you can find a lot of Wall Street Bet is also full of nonsense meme posts. Okay, now the thing is, because we are talking about BNGO right now, okay? So, in my opinion, Wall Street Bet, they are still these 4 stocks right here. I don't need to even go further. These 4 stocks right here, GME, AMC, BlackBerry, and CLOV. These are the 4 stocks that they are super crazy about right now, okay? You cannot find BNGO right here. At one point, BNGO got to like number 5, but unfortunately, it went back down. Okay, so that's why, in my opinion, Wall Street bets are not responsible for what we saw yesterday. Because if they are responsible for what we saw yesterday, it will be massive. They are not yet talking about BNGO, and I posted several times on this page. But unfortunately, if you post about BNGO, at one point in time, they will delete it. If I think Auspicious Descent, he has a post on Reddit that has not been deleted. He's more or less lucky. Okay, I mean, it's not easy. So my point is, it's not easy to post anything about Bionano Genomics on this page and it won't get deleted. I can even make a sample for you guys. I can create a post right now, and I bet you in the next few minutes it's going to be deleted. So Wall Street Bet is not pumping BNGO so far, in my opinion. If they start to pump BNGO, what you're going to see is everything they are going to be talking about right here will be about BNGO. As you guys can see right here, we have BlackBerry, AMC, CLOV. So that's all you'll be seeing on their page. And if you go to new post, these are the latest posts that somebody just shared on Wall Street Bet. You can see there is nothing about Bionano Genomics. You can easily, this is CLOV, and this person is talking about his or her gain on CLOV, I believe $10,000 US made today. And you see CRISPR, this is no, this is not CRISPR, CRSR fueling, and yeah, so BlackBerry, CLNA, something like that. And believe me, most of all these posts are going to be deleted after a while. Okay, So that's all I have for you guys about WSB. Are they pumping BNGO? I don't think so. They are not pumping BNGO. If they start to pump BNGO, guys, you will know it. You are going to feel it. So let's go back to the stock price of Bionano happening with my okay, now it's working. So this is what is happening after hours, guys. The stock is up about 0.84% after hours, and it's up about up till 8.37 US dollars. It's nothing, not really massive. It's not really massive. We have to go to the 5 minute chart before we can see the effect of that after hours. You guys can easily see. So like I already said in my previous video, you can find it on my channel where I spoke about what happened today. I believe we are going to keep consolidating around this level. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. Okay, don't forget, guys, every day till Friday, I am going to be leaving this live stream on more or less like a TV. So you guys can easily come to the comment section and you can interact with each other. We can share ideas, and if you would like to be a member of this channel, it costs about 99 cents per month, to keep this channel alive. It costs about 99 cents per month. It's going to help me to keep the channel alive and keep coming back and providing valuable content about Bionano Genomics and any other related stock. And hopefully, as time goes on, I'm going to be talking about what is going on in terms of the economy, inflation, and so on and so forth, because I have tons of knowledge that I could be sharing with you guys as well, not only about Bionano Genomics. I follow a lot of tickers, not only BNGO. I follow even commodities. I follow indices. I follow ETFs. I follow indexes, not only BNGO. And of course, I can always share more information about what is going on in the market with you guys. I want to show you guys something that happened today, the stock market map. Let's take a look at what happened on today in terms of the general stock market. My computer is now, I need to close some of these pages since we are done with them. I'm gonna close some of them so that we can, the internet connection can be faster. So this is what happened today, the one-day performance. But let's take a look at the past year-to-date performance. So this right here is the year-to-date performance of the stock market. You guys can see, if you go to the biotechnology sector, this used to be completely red, guys. It used to be, deeply red. It used to be in deep red, 2 months ago when I went there, when BNGO, for example, was, going down heavily. All this sector, we are talking about Illumina, Pac Bio, when they were going down heavily, this was super red. The only thing that has stayed green so far is financials, bank regions, real estate as well, and energy sector, of course. If you guys are following oil is up 70 US dollars today. Ticker oil, OIL, 70 US dollars. I could remember clearly last year during the lockdown, somewhere around towards the ending of March and beginning of April, oil went to the negative territory. It was trading at 7 US dollars at one point on my stockbroker. I remember buying oil at 7 US dollars, but today oil hit 70 US dollars, guys. So yeah, this is the year-to-date performance of most of this stock. And Tesla, of course, at one point was minus 27%. I spoke about it also on this channel. So Tesla and Alibaba is still down like minus 7%. So if you guys are wondering, if you would like to diversify your portfolio, for example, if you are not YOLOing into BNGO like me, here you can find, some stocks that are still red. Software application, for example, they are mixed, and Apple is still down minus 4.48% year to date. Tesla is down minus 14.4% year to date. And yeah, look at PDD, for example, Pindodo, down minus 28.52% year to date. So if you go to cryptocurrency, I mean, we have to talk about cryptocurrency as well, not only about let's go to the monthly 5 months cryptocurrency. Okay, so cryptocurrency, this is not relevant, right? I can't zoom, I can't show you guys what I would love to show you guys. So more or less crypto is still up like, the huge percentage if you want to go to past 5 months or so, because it started to correct like last month, I believe. So this is irrelevant. So guys, this way I'm going to end the live stream. If you have any question before I move on, I am after 8 hours job. It's time for me to relax. If you have any question, please drop it. I have about 5 minutes left to spend with you guys on this channel. 5 minutes left, guys. If you have any question, please let me know. Let me know. And please remember to click on the like and feel free to share this video with your, with fellow investors so that we can keep growing this community. And don't forget, please go to my Reddit channel. If you are on Reddit, go to Bionanians on Reddit and join the channel on Reddit. Okay, I would love to grow it. And because I don't like it if you go on Wall Street Bet, for example, you make a post and somebody just go to your post and delete it. It's not a good thing. So if you have any question, guys, let me know. Did you know that BNGO is added to Reset Twitter? Yeah, Jeremy, I know that BNGO is added to the Reset 3000. I made a video about it yesterday. Reset 3000. It's crazy. WSB is just banning everybody that is talking about BNGO. They are talking about, if you talk about BNGO, they will just ban you straight ahead. Russell 3000 index. Russell 3000 index. I think yesterday I made a video about BNGO being added to, but I'm going to confirm once again if that was Russell 3000 index. I'm going to confirm but of course yesterday I was talking about BNGO being added to one of the index. Guys, I share a lot of information. Sometimes I just I just forget some of the things that I am sharing daily. It's not easy. So guys, let me know, talk to me a lot. We can easily talk about some other stock. I have about 5 minutes left. We can, if you have any stock you'd like me to take a look at, you can easily let me know in the comment section before we end this this video, before we end this live stream, before we end the live stream. No. So I think that's where we're going to end it today, guys. Since no question, I think that's where we're going to end it. Shout out to everybody. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much for coming on board and showing your love. Thanks for always supporting the channel. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for sharing. Thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Ciao, ciao.